Welcome to Car Tech, your gateway to a world of incredible car gadgets and accessories. We're here to showcase the most innovative products available on Amazon. Sit back and let us take you on a ride through the world of automotive tech. This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner is a portable car vacuum cleaner that will be a faithful helper in keeping your car clean. This compact and lightweight 2.4-pound vacuum cleaner runs from your car's cigarette lighter. With an impressive 16-foot cord, you can easily reach the furthest corners of the cabin. The powerful 106-watt motor provides suction power that effectively picks up any debris and crumbs. Comfortable ergonomic design with HEPA filtration system to collect the smallest dust particles. Includes 3 specialty nozzles for different surfaces: crevice, brush, and extension. High-quality washable HEPA filter extends the life of the vacuum cleaner. It has a compact case for storing and carrying the vacuum cleaner and accessories. This tool will become an indispensable assistant for any repair work. The set consists of 27 items, including hex heads of different sizes from 5/32 inches to 15/32 inches, as well as bits for different types of screws. 3-position ratchet allows you to screw and unscrew with both clockwise and counterclockwise rotation, as well as lock in a set position. Made of chrome vanadium steel with anti-corrosion coating, T-shaped handle provides a secure grip. Hexagons and bits have magnetic tips to prevent parts from falling out while working. All accessories are neatly organized in a plastic box for easy storage and carrying. You see a tablet holder for the back seat. This accessory is universally compatible with devices from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, including iPad, Galaxy Tab, iPhone, and other smartphones and tablets. It provides 360-degree rotation for easy viewing and is easy to install. The soft rubber lining protects your device from friction, and the expandable arms hold your device securely and prevent vibration. This holder makes the ride a pleasure, allowing you to enjoy movies, books, and music. A stylish laser-engraved switch with custom pictograms will make a great addition to your vehicle. Durable metal construction provides environmental resistance. The universal 5-pin design allows the switch to be used for various loads. Quickly disconnect wires with a single push without risk of damage. Includes all necessary mounting wires for quick installation. These stylish and functional switches will fit perfectly into the interior of your vehicle. Set of parking lights with a yellow LED bulb and flashing module. The 5 black smoked glass lights look very striking and give your pickup truck an aggressive look. The bright yellow LED lights provide excellent visibility both when parked and on the move, even in bad weather. Select the desired flashing option at the touch of a button on the dedicated controller. The accessory fully complies with safety standards and is authorized for use. The LEDs are removable and easy to replace if necessary. And if desired, you can mount the warning lights in their original locations or make additional holes in the cab roof. And this is the battery master switch. It allows you to quickly and easily disconnect the battery when the vehicle is not in use, saving battery power. It has a compact size and modern stylish design. It will fit perfectly into the interior of any car or boat. The strong and durable metal housing protects the internal elements from external influences. High capacity, up to 150 amps in pulse mode and 100 amps in constant mode. Operates up to 32 volts, making it compatible with most vehicles. Easy plug-and-play installation, does not require complicated installation. This quality and reliable switch will provide your vehicle's electrical system from accidental shorts and overloads. Wireless steering wheel remote control for your car, which will help you easily control various functions of your car's stereo, GPS, ringer, music, and others. The remote control comes in a black color, made of high-quality plastic, which ensures reliability and durability. Inside the built-in high-sensitivity chip, which provides a stable and reliable connection. Provided with 10 programmable buttons that can be customized to suit your needs. You can easily control basic car functions such as volume, track selection, radio station switching, and others without distracting you from driving. If you want to make your ride more comfortable and safer, this wireless steering wheel remote is a great choice. A set of tools for cleaning various surfaces. The set includes 2 different size scrapers, one regular and one extended. You can easily reach even the most hard-to-reach places. Ergonomic handles with soft inserts are pleasant in the hand and do not slip, providing comfortable work. The metal and plastic replacement blades are very sharp and will last a long time. Changing the cutting edge is quick and easy by unscrewing the locking cap. Suitable for glass, metal, plastic, and more. The tools will easily remove old stickers, dirt, hardened paint, glue, and other stubborn stains without damage. At the same time, the scrapers are very strong and durable. They will please you with their work for many years. And convenient plastic packaging allows you to always keep them at hand. A versatile product, stainless steel metal tie-down clamps. These clamps can withstand loads up to 1,698 pounds. At the same time, they are absolutely unafraid of corrosion, temperature fluctuations from -170 Fahrenheit to positive 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, ultraviolet lights, and other negative factors. Installation of cables, reinforcement works, repair of agricultural machinery, strapping of stacks and containers, these are just a few areas of metal zip ties use. The clamp can be tightened with ordinary pliers and the excess can be easily cut off with wire cutters. They will save time, effort, and money due to their versatility, strength, and durability. Introducing the super fast car charger with USB-C and QC 3.0 ports. This device features 60 watts of fast charging for USB-C port and 18 watts for QC 3.0 port. This means your smartphones will charge up to 6 times faster than from a regular car charger. Your device's battery can replenish from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes of driving. The charger comes with a 5-foot-long flexible USB-C cable. When folded, it is compact and neat, and when unfolded, it is long enough for you to use your phone freely while charging. The multicolor backlighting will make it easy to find charging even in the dark. Thanks to the intelligent power management system and multi-level protection against overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits, your gadgets will be completely safe. Set of impact socket adapters. They are made of heat-treated chrome vanadium steel with a black phosphate coating. They can withstand the heaviest loads and will last you for many years. The set includes 9 impact adapters in different sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. Thanks to the spring ball bearings on the square shanks, the adapters lock tightly into the sockets, eliminating slippage during use. A magnetic 1/4 inch bit holder keeps the bit from falling out of the chuck when changing bits. These universal adapters are compatible with most power tools, drills, screwdrivers, wrenches, and hand tools with square shanks. They will become your faithful assistants in repair, car maintenance, and any other work. The set is packed in a compact organizer and a durable plastic storage case. All adapters will be at hand and will not get lost. This is not just a heater, it is a real lifesaver on frosty days. Its main advantage is its power of 5 kilowatts. The heater can heat your car in just 10 minutes. At the same time, the heater runs on diesel fuel and its consumption is only 0.029 to 0.135 gallons per hour. It also has a cool LCD and a convenient remote control. With the remote, you can turn on the heater from afar or adjust the temperature in your car and even preheat the engine. It's suitable for use in various places, whether it's in your car, motorhome, or garage. This screwdriver set is a real boon for electronics repair. The set has as many as 124 bits and includes 101 different bits. The bits are made of chrome vanadium steel for durability and a long life. They are engraved with a number and size, which helps you find the right tool quickly. And this set also has a bunch of useful tools: magnetic bit holder, cleaning brush and cloth, ESD tweezers, and much more to make your work even easier and more efficient. The handle is made with an anti-slip coating for comfort, and the magnetic holder will help hold small screws. Everything is neatly packaged in a compact and durable plastic case that is easy to take with you or store in your car. This is Tessa's Sugru glue, and you can use it to fix, glue, and improve just about anything. Why is Sugru so cool? It can be used both indoors and outdoors. The adhesive is silicone-based, which makes it water-resistant, heat-resistant, and strong. And best of all, it leaves no residue after removal. Just open the package, take the required amount of glue, you will have 30 minutes to do all the necessary manipulations, after which the glue will begin to harden. Each package contains 8 sachets with 3.5 grams of glue and silicone glue remover. See you in the next video.